Hi and welcome to another installment of Math Basics with Mr. Besh. Today's lesson is short, sweet, and to the point. It's real simple to do. It's a multiplying and dividing of integers. See, when you multiply and divide with integers, positives and negatives, the rules for multiplying and dividing stay exactly the same. See, 6 times 3 is going to make 18, even when you're dealing with integers. The question is whether or not your answers come out to be positive or negative. The rule goes like this. If one of the two numbers that you're multiplying or dividing by is negative, then your answer is going to be negative. And it doesn't matter if it's the first number or the second number. So now a negative 6 times 3 is going to give me negative 18. An example with division here, now we got 12 divided by negative 6. Well, 12 divided by 6 is going to be 2. But this answer comes out to be negative 2 because one of the two values was negative. Now, if both of the values are negative, then again my answer goes back to being positive. You all know 5 times 2 is going to give you positive 10. But if you had a negative 5 times a negative 2, when both of the terms are negative, then this reverts my answer back to being positive. And last but not least, a division example where both terms are negative. You have negative 30 divided by negative 10. This one's going to come out to be positive 3. One last note I wanted to say, you have the odds and evens rule. If there's a bunch of numbers that you're multiplying together, all you do is count how many of the numbers have negative signs. If there's an odd number of negative signs, your answer is always going to be negative. If there was an even number of negative signs, your answer would be positive. I know this was short. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.